We are going to fish.
Going fishing for sharks.
Yeah. Hi, Tessa.
Your phone is here, Tessa. Will I bring it?
Us out, I should say, Peg. Are you okay? Stiff. Oh, what a lovely evening. Oh, sorry, you need more stuff in here. No, we're going through here. Oh, here. Oh, this is why we sit. Oh, that way. Rock is wobbly.
Oh, Peg.
Yeah.
这个石头要小心。这个会动哦。咬。
What? Come on.
关心一下你。这很漂亮哎。到冬天的时候，这边海会到这里。到那个石头它还有带小孩哎。哎。我没有看到。哇！
哇！
从那边不知道跑不跑。
哈？
从那边不知道跑不跑。危险。
I don't know. Maybe here it's all shells. But in the winter time, the sea comes up much further up here.
Wow.
Like that. Oh, God.
He's the good one.
So this is a pollock. Well,
Oh no, he's not.
I prefer the mackerel.
Oh, the runner.
I prefer the runner. No, just keep it down a little bit. No. Now you must give him a kiss.
Should I keep him or no?
No. But how much, Pat? Du toilet nu. Ja. Du kommer lätta va? I need to ta den freezer alone let's find a smile. Ta freezer alone and så vi.
No.
那个啊，等一下
Stay away, doggy. Stay away.
哦。
Nope.
He's big.
Yes. Who wants to go now?
Who wants to turn?
No, let's go for big mackerel. This is a very big mackerel, yeah.
Bigger.
Okay. Small one.
This is, and then you see the pollock then here, the brown guy.
Eat it.
But it's a fake.
Yeah, but look, feel the weight. Hold this,
Oh,
hold this here.
yeah. It's heavy. Oh, very heavy.
So that he will sink. Noel made this one.
Oh.
You can see, homemade. Now, Peg, be careful.
应该一下就
Does
停
anyone
了。
else want to turn?
Okay. Okay. Yes.
Okay.
It's okay.
Funny, funny.
Nothing.
So Grace, now twist your body like this, so that so the things will move. Well done. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, leave it sink. Super.
Oh, oh, oh.
I thought I found something. Oh, yes! Oh, you fucker! Did you do that? Oh, no, that's not nice.
最佳视野。你不要在那里，不要在那里，他等下会扫到你。
Go careful, it's there.
In Everest, how many skateboards will you catch?
How many have I caught?
Yeah, Everest.
Oh, it depends. Sometimes 0, sometimes 20. Yeah,
Oh,
depends. Yeah.
so maybe
One time over 100.
No
Yeah.
way.
Yeah.
It's true.
I wasn't here. I don't remember. No one lived.
We were smaller. Yeah.
So you
Teenager.
catch it by the
Movie House 的什么运动日团康活动，我们要去爬那座山悬崖。橘子时间，
橘子时间。
决定好了，你们决定好你们要吃什么了吗？做 pancake。
你是说那家店？
对，做 pancake。
它不是有名的是吗？你们自己会买吗？确定哦。
不一定。
先吃看看。可是我真的想要再吃那个
很棒。
饼干饼干我来了，
我要吃饼干，
饼干之神，饼干之神，饼干之神，饼干之神，
我们要找个地方休息。你要休息？
吃饼干，我不要。
那今天没有颜色。还好，就是
我觉得他没有，我觉得他没有。
现在在看骨盆前倾，
他的角度是正常的角度，他比较严重一点。
我是严重级，更严重。
骨盆前倾患者。
我抱歉。
你摸自己这里，如果这里凹进去，然后屁股凸出来，你如果这一块凹进去，然后屁股就会往后凸，然后你的腰是往前搂的，就是
有一种就是那种，
arch 的那种。
对，那个就是
现在要去看鸡舍。
来，这里，一只。哎，都在那里。
没有啊。
我们谁要？而且他们争先恐后。没有吧？那个你怎么没回家？对啊，他是越狱。
好多大便。
对吧？他怎么没有在那里面？他可能就是漏掉那一只啊。
啊！
他就把它放进去。
啊！
这样子不是太高了？
会吧？它不高吗？会低一点。大姐，你可以吗？
你要掉下去耶！你要丢它哦！
真的不能丢它，不然你把它放上面。
它等下下不来怎么办？
它会想办法下去吧？
等一下，
不然你把它往前抛。
这里吧，这边有草。
确定它的脚会没事吗？
它平常都是这样从这里飞下去的，平常都是从这个高度飞下去的。
奖励一下你们。
争先恐后，真的是